Grabe, laki. So, while we are doing our content, sakto naman na dumating yung parcel natin from Howon. So, as you all know, we just launched our cuisine. Definitely, this is a Pinoy meals na binibenta natin sa university at sa offices. So, currently, we are here at NU MOA. So, nandun yung first branch natin. Yun nga, no? So, naghahanap kami ng durable na chopping board and we saw this Howon. Upon checking their shop, parang nag innovate sila ng product from time to time. And hindi lang basta yung chopping board is puro wood. May mga stainless, madaming choices na material. You can check their shop. So, sobrang solid, no? Tapos kasi, if you are a chef, alam mo yung yung mga quality na products na gagamitin mo eh. So, hindi yung basta-basta lang. Kaya ito, tignan nyo, packaging pa lang, right? So, parang solid na talaga siya. May mga styro pa. You see, at the back, this is stainless. And then in front, this is a wood. So, pwedeng-pwede kang mag-chop dito. Tapos, pag itatabi mo na, hawakan mo lang. Di ba sa mga bahay natin, walang mga hawakan or something, ganyan mo lang hawakan. But this one, oh, parang bag na rin. Grabe yung innovation ng chopping board. So, Howon, thank you so much for this one. And then for the actual usage, we will use it sa ating kitchen or kapag nagluto ako sa bahay, gagamitin ko agad to. So, thank you so much, Howon. If you want this one too, signan nyo sobrang laki, no? You can check the yellow basket. Tapos comment lang kayo if you think this is worth to buy.